Okay, go mate, McCullough, Pro Mate 610. You watched the last video, this motor's got problems, got a broken clutch. Don't worry about that, we're coming off. That way it should be. It's broken, but it should be alright. The whole thing does. Now, it hadn't been running for a long time. I fixed the pull starter, that's the main issue. Just fill up the tank of fuel, put a bit of fuel in the oil tank. Won't run very long, hopefully it will run. But I thought I'd do a video, will it start? I don't know, I need to do long mine. If it won't start the way it is now, I'll pull the cover off and put the petrol down the actual cover itself. It'll try normal. Turn it up. Just see if it wants to start. I know it's spark. Choke. It's on. Let's see if we can fire it. Might take fuel up, might not, don't know. Pretty safe to say, cockroaches coming out of their muffler then. It's over fast. Ready? Same problem with the other one. The stop button works, but didn't turn it off. Cockroaches, they come out of the muffler. There'll be petrol coming out there. All there, it's not. There's a bit of crap there. Might pump there. You guys see that? Try to clean some of the ear. There's crap all coming out. Look at that. Yucky. I rinsed it all out. Yeah, too thin to pump. But the clutch is no good. Snapped. Been a long day, guys. Try to make videos. Yeah, I did not think it would work like that. Try again, we'll start again, easy. Very fast oil, so you have to do it. It's on. No, that's a rivet. Now won't start. Yeah. Back up on again. Choke. Oh, that choke on, sorry guys. I'll flood this. Full red. That's not my back. But it doesn't work. It's unbelievable. So I'm going to flush all that crap out there, out of the oil tank, or petrol. I poured 2 litres of petrol in the oil tank. Try to flush it out. Go put it in the container. There you go, it started. I'm happy with that. I did not think that would start. Unbelievable. Oh crap, laying around, it's worth pouring there. Right, over now guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you can.